In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Printify to your Amazon. So first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into Printify. All you need to do here is to just go ahead and search for Printify. You have here Shopify. The first link would be Printify, so click here. After clicking the Printify, you need to just go ahead and start the free trial. Just enter email address here. After that, you would be redirected to the dashboard of your Shopify app. You just have to answer a lot of questions in here. What product you wanted to sell, and what type of product you would go for, and then what are the other sources of your product. For example, Amazon. So you have to click Amazon there to be able to have your detail online, which is to import your products from Amazon. So to import it, you just go read the step-by-step guide to import it. So just go ahead, decide on how to make it in your Amazon store and data to Shopify. Export your product data, then import your item data to Shopify, verify, then import, and make your website look great, and set up your shipping, taxes, and the payment provider. Then place some test orders and add stuff to your store, and then set up your domain to be able to go ahead and add your Printify store to Amazon. And that's it.